How's it going? I am Tage Castle. I'm here with LiteTouch. We are at InfoComm 2024. As you can see here, this is our panel. It's an interactive touch panel. We have Android and Windows on both sides. We have a whiteboard function. You have multiple points of touch. So as you can see, it's very quick, very responsive. It's a very robust product. We also have a screen sharing software here, which will actually, you can actually screen mirror from, in an iPad, iPhone, anything of that nature. It can also screen share as well. So we have a Windows 11 PC built into the back of it. So as you can see, it's very quick. It hops right over. And just as we had touchscreen on the Android side, we also have touchscreen here. So anything you can do on your computer, you can also do on our panel as well. So. And if, if you all would like more information, you can visit our website at ltntechnologies.com. So, thank you.